Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the factory data reset in your device Vivo y76 5G. So if in this device you want to do the factory data reset, or if you want to wipe up all the data from the device, you can easily do this by the method I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the factory data reset in your device. Let's watch it.